SBET stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Sharplink Gaming stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1-minute video. Now, I'm the only person in this stock trading space that has a track record of 43,000 videos every day for 5 years, documented everything. I've been showing you what's making me money, all documented by the way. And genuinely, like with SBET, because it's breaking this low, I'm just kind of giving it like it last hope. If it starts going even lower, this idea is going to be cleared out, right? So what do I mean by that? One break is going to happen. One break can definitely just be a fake out. But if it goes and doubles down for a second time, then this is going to be getting out of hand and probably just not going to be the right timing for me to buy. Because, you know, I was hoping I just buy it like I did before here, you know, and this was scaled out right here. Oh, my bad. $30.30, and then this thing went to like 120, you know, a 4x, 300% increase. And honestly, like here, still, unless I see the shift, there's just no way I'm buying. You might say like it's a big discrepancy, just above $5 from where we're currently. Not that big of a discrepancy, but still, I wanted this thing to go 60 miles per hour that I just jump in. And if it doesn't give me no rules, then I don't quite care. So stay tuned, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated.